How's it going, guys? My name's Andy. I am the product guy at lonerider, so everything that comes out of lonerider, all the products, I design and manufacture, and I've decided to do a couple of videos, maybe every week. We'll see. We'll plan for every week, but let's just kick off with this. This monstrosity here is the quick release system. I've been working on this product and several other products as well. So heaps to talk about, heaps to do. I don't know the format of this system, but let's just get into it and have a look. So we are quite close. This is the 3D model that I've been working on. This is SolidWorks, which is like a 3D modeling program. It's an engineering program basically. You can do anything here as you can in real life, and I've been building it in this to test the whole contraption. So we're good to go. I'll show you, I'll come off screen quickly. As you see, I've had this made. It's just a workhorse for building, and in the local, we've been engineered out these parts here. So this is the motor bag attached to the quick release system, and on this side we've just got a normal, everything except the motor bag on the back basically. We have, so the thing is, well, it's also taken quite a bit of time because I had to retrofit it to the existing bags and out there, and we've achieved that, and quite elegantly I think, and for quite a good price. I think we should be able to fit the guys out with a good system, relatively cheap, with good quality materials. This is all stainless steel. Yeah, so on the back of the bag, it'll just look like this. You'll have a clip up here and 4 points. You have to, if you have the bag already and you want to put the quick release system on, you'll just have to take off the hyperlin bag here, the black part, and attach 4 bolts, 6 bolts in total, and you're good to go for this part. And all it does, well, the easiest way is you fit this part to the back of the bike, which is a injection molded part. It's white. That's because this nylon that we use, they didn't have black at the time, so we just made it out of white. But that fits to the rack. It's permanent there. Fits on with 4 pucks very easily. And for offset racks like this one, it's got 4 pucks, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom, and that's for your offset system. That stays on the bike. And so does the locking attachment system here. So what happens is, on the back there you have kind of like a latch. You have a latch, and that slides into this here, which is moves in and out, and this has got a locking system integrated into the product. So it's really easy. I just want it to be super easy, so that the quickest on the market, I reckon. Definitely. Just all you do is put the bag, obviously you have the bag, you line it up, chuck it on, and you're good to go. So you just put it onto the bike and you're good to go. It's not coming off, it's not coming up or anything like this. It automatically clips in place. It took a long time to develop that, to find an elegant design. It did take quite a while, so I'm quite happy with it. And as you see here, we've got a lot of bolts sticking out and stuff like this. I'm going to change this. I have changed this already, so this will be all hidden. These are prototypes. Yeah, so basically once it's clipped in like it is, you can drive away. There's a 4mm piece of steel that holds this in place, and if you want to lock it to the bike, because at the moment what we have to do is pull this latch across and lift it, and you can remove this one-handed action. So we use one hand here. You can just pull this across, lift, and you're gone. But if you want to lock it, all you do is push this button down and you're locked. It doesn't come off. This doesn't move. This latch doesn't move. We'll provide 2 of these keys. We've teamed up with a pretty good lock supplier. They're working with us to develop these locks custom made for us. So we've got 2 keys will come with it, and that'll fit left and right. So you can use 1 key for both, which is very, very cool. We have to get them each individually re-keyed. So to get it off, just put the key in, turn, and you're good to go. That's it. So yeah, that's the update. on the MotoBags, or the quick release system. We call it MTBQR. It's not what you think, but that's what we call it for short. Quick release system, and it's retrofittable. So currently what we're doing now is let's go back into the computer quick. Here we've got, as I was saying before, I've been working a lot the last couple of days to clean up the back here, to make it look smooth, to make it look professional and elegant, instead of having lots of bolts sticking out. That's just not nice aesthetically, and yeah. So another good point about this whole system is we can replace all these parts. It's important that we can do it because people do have, unfortunately, accidents. It does bend the materials, warp them so they don't fit anymore, even though that's very high quality stainless steel and stuff like this. But we have to do it, so we can just send an updated lock. Next stage for us is to convert this. I've sent this off already. I wanted to make this out of nylon 6, which is very high quality material that just won't break. It's like almost indestructible. Just think of chopping boards, you know, those white chopping boards that you use at the butchers, that kind of stuff, that kind of material. These guys cut on that all day for years, and it doesn't make it makes marks, but doesn't damage it. So we were going to do this, but the price per piece is quite high. And we want to keep it low enough so it's easy, cheap enough for you guys, cheap enough for the people to buy it. And so we're going to have to move into tooling, which is on our side much more expensive. We have to make quite a large tool, but in the long run it'll pay off. The per piece price per piece is much lower. It's way lower, and we also get a good quality product with that too. We can guarantee the quality over a large amount of pieces. So that's what we're doing with that. We're going to move into injection molding. That'll probably be nylon as well, or glass fiber, or fiberglass into the plastic, just to give it that rigidity. At the moment, so I'm going to send that off today to the mold engineers, and they're going to basically make this part into a moldable piece. Because you need to hollow it out and put ribs in it and stuff like this, because the plastic won't. You can't can't injection mold this at the moment. All the other pieces are good to go. We've sent out, another good thing is I made 4 of these, 4 riders. One went to Thailand to a rider, the founder, Fred. He's testing it in Thailand. He normally tests it pretty hard. In remote locations, which is perfect. Then we've got ones going to America. Josh, he's riding all the time, and he's riding hard. He's a good rider, and he'll be testing it as well. And then we've got one going to the UK. Ian is his engineer's mind. He'll pick my design to pieces and find every little issue with it. He'll find all the problems and all the theoretical issues that could happen that I haven't thought about. That's why I send it to Ian. He's really good at finding out or like predicting problems, and so we can work around them before they even happen, before we even know they're going to happen. So they should be arriving any day soon in the post, and once they get a few weeks of testing, we should be able to. I'm going to start tooling up now. Start ordering parts, and go for it. Make final changes based on their recommendations, and hopefully give you guys a really good product very shortly. So stay tuned. If you see anything that's interesting, or you got questions about, or something that just you don't know if it'll fit your bike, reach out in the comments below, and we'll get back to you straight away about that. If we can answer it, we will answer it. ETA and date. I can't guarantee you a date on these guys on manufacturing. There's so many issues with manufacturing. It's incredible. It's really difficult to nail down a specific date. Another thing I just noticed, I think I built in, MotoBags, the American company. So here I've put 4 holes in, so you can attach your MotoBag to the back of it and ride with that as well. Anyway. So leave a comment down below if you're if you're interested in a specific part or you want to know more information about it, we're going to kick off these product development videos every week. It gives me a chance to, you know, talk to people that really matter, that ride. And if you made it this far, you know, in the video, the three of you, thanks a lot. Hit us a like and share it if you want. And see you next week.